Everybody loves a mystery. Well, here's one. A mysterious sunken boat that's been an eyesore and a navigational hazard off a popular Halifax park has now gone to its final resting place. But it still remains as mysterious as ever. It's a cement-hulled boat that went down in the Northwest Arm about a year ago. They tried to find out who owned it, but couldn't, so marine officials decided to take matters into their own hands. CTV's Bruce FRISKO shows us what they did.
In the picturesque waters of the northwest arm of Halifax, something's been out of place for about a year. Visitors to the popular Dingle Tower could scarcely miss it. The mast of a good-sized boat sticking out of the water. As you'd expect, it's only a small part of the story and the problem. The boat went down about this time last year, a nameless 35-foot concrete-hulled vessel. Even though it wasn't supposed to be there, the watery grave was an irresistible draw for divers and marine life. Although outdated, the notion of a cement boat still holds a certain fascination with sailors.
It is a rare boat. It's not modern technology. It's an old technology, but it was quite a technology in its day.
But it couldn't stay. A massive operation refloating it and towing it to Purcell's Cove, where the plan was to load it onto a flatbed and haul it to the dump. But you know what they say about the best laid plans.
Too big, too bulky, and maybe too high.
It was actually the Halifax Port Authority that got the ball rolling on the project because, well, somebody had to.
There's no reason for that vessel to be there in the first place.
The Port Authority did everything in its power to track down the owner, but those efforts were unsuccessful.
We did work with police throughout this process, and they did come up with a couple of leads, but none of those leads panned out.
In the end, some heavy equipment made short work of the crumbling, waterlogged vessel, meaning the last leg of its final voyage would be in a dump truck.
It is junk now, ready to go away.
Leaving the waters of the Northwest Arm as picturesque as they should be. Bruce FRISKO, CTV News, Purcell's Cove, Nova Scotia.